Hi, students and friends. Welcome to English Learning Channel. Today we will discuss about adverbs. What are adverbs? What is the definition of adverb? And what are different examples of adverb? An adverb is a word or set of words that modifies verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. An adverb is a word or a set of words that modifies verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. It tells when, where, and how an action is performed or indicates the quality or degree of the action. Now we will discuss a second definition of adverbs in English grammar. What is adverb? An adverb is a part of speech. An adverb describes a verb or another adverb or an adjective. Adverb answers how, where, when, how much, how often, and etc. Dear friends, let's consider some examples of adverbs that will further clarify the definition of adverbs and use in English language. Robin is always hungry for success. Robin is always hungry for success. Here always represents an adverb in this sentence that modify the verb that is hungry. I love her very much. Here in this sentence, I love her very much. I love her very much. Here very much represents adverb. He is running fast. He is running fast. In this example, fast is adverb because it modify running, that is adverb. Alex works hard. Alex works hard. Here hard is adverb and works is verb that modified by the word hard. So hard is adverb in this sentence. He wrote that willingly. He wrote that willingly. Here wrote is modified by willingly, which represents equality, and that is adverb that modifies wrote in this example. Many adverbs end in ly, but some words which end in ly, such as friendly, are not adverbs. Many words can be both adverbs and adjectives according to their activity in the sentence. There are different types of adverbs: conjunctive adverbs, sentence adverbs, adverbs of time or frequency, adverbs of place or direction, adverbs of degree, and adverbs of manner. What is adverb of manner? Adverb of manner, the question how. Adverb that expresses the manner, approach, process of the action in the sentence are called adverb of manner. They answer the question how is the action performed. For example, beautifully, equally, thankfully, carefully. Adverb of degree, that question how much. Adverb that express the importance, degree, level of action in the sentence are called adverbs of degree. They answer the question how much in the action performed. Examples are completely, nearly, entirely, less. Adverbs of place or direction, which will answer where. Adverbs of place or direction that indicate place, direction of the action and the sentence. They answer the question, where is the action performed? Across, over, under, in, out, through, etc. Adverb of time or adverb of frequency, that is answer when. Adverb of time or frequency indicate time or frequency of the action and the sentence. They answer the question, when, how frequently is the action performed. Examples are always, never, often, eventually, now, frequently, etc. Sentence adverbs. What is sentence adverb? A sentence adverb starts the sentence and modifies the whole sentence. Example number 1 is hopefully, comma, we will win the match. Second example is apparently, comma, the sky is getting cloudy. The sky is getting cloudy. Conjunctive adverbs. A conjunctive adverb connects phrases or independent clauses. It provides transition between ideas and shows relationship. Conjunctive adverbs are also called connectors. It rained. Example number 1, it rained last night. Nonetheless, the final match has not been cancelled. Example number 2, we are still confused. However, if the umpire will come. So friends and students, this was all about adverbs in English grammar. I hope that you have learned something about adverb and different kind of adverbs. If you want to learn English language and if you want to learn English grammar in your home, please subscribe to our channel and visit our channel for more interesting videos. Thank you so much for your attention.